Okay, now this right here is a very powerful clipper, and a lot of people have heard of KIEPE, Italia, whatever. And this is a brand that made KIEPE, the Mini, Fuel Mini, Super Fast V12, and I can still name many more. Man. Recently, they just came up with a brand new clipper called KIEPE Power Up. So now let's make the unboxing, man. Alright. Yo, you was soon on YouTube. This is the unboxing official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, we're gonna talk about KIEPE Power Up. For a very long time, I was waiting for KIEPE to bring up a new clipper or a trimmer, but now we got it. Let's open it up, man. Yeah. So this thing got power. So yes. This is the manual. The guards. These are the guards. Charging cable, oil, little brush, a cam follower, and extra screws. We have the charging dock, charging stand, and the clipper himself. Okay, and I really like this. It's not like the rest ones, they really break very easily. This one is strong. Now let's talk about this clipper. I was cutting with this clipper. It might be the best clipper that I've ever used, so I still need to use it more. I even gave it to a barber, two barbers, and they were really impressed with it, which is good. And when I used it, I was also impressed. For me, somehow the best. And yeah, this is how it looks like. So leave your comment below on how do you like this clipper. The design, how do you like the design? It's not a USB type C. They should have make two ways of charging, USB and the normal charging. So how do you like the design? Okay. And the blade, it's the same blade that is on KIEPE, but on this clipper, this blade is perfect. Believe me, it's really perfect. And the lever, it's a monster lever. I have to say, you won't miss the lever when you want to change. Believe me. The indicator, which is good, and it's all metal, but somehow I would have preferred if maybe they make this side plastic and this side metal. They should have mixed everything, then the weight won't be a lot like this. 363 gram. 404, but it's okay. I didn't say it bad. It's not bad, you know. It feels good on the hand also, which is good. So let's make some sound check and see. You hear that? They said it's a brushless motor. On the motor, nothing is rating. So I still don't get it. If any person that can explain on the comment below, explain what they mean by brushless motor. I really like to know, you know. I'm somebody that like to learn more, you know. So I don't know everything. I want to learn more. I want to know. So if any person knows what they mean by brushless motor, just let me know. Leave your comment below, you know. The blade is really good with this one. Believe me. Let's open it and see the type of bracket they got here for us, you know. So guys, you see that? So as you can see, this is the cam follower, extra cam follower that came with it, and this is the cam follower that was here. So one is bigger than the other one. So I don't know what this one is for, you know. Yo, this is a very good clipper. I guess the best clipper for now, I guess so. The best clipper, it's not a magnetic clipper, it's a rotary clipper. You know, for me, I guess the best clipper that I've used till now. So that's why I'm gonna make the battle between this clipper and Gamma X Ergo. So watch out for the next video, man, and don't miss it. You will love it. And just in case if anybody wanna buy this clipper, I ordered it from Spain, from Instagram. So I will put the link below on the description, and the Instagram will show here, you know, we show here. It's a Distribuciones Ibaros. So, and he's shipping very fast. So you can check him out. He got many clippers there, many things there. So maybe you can order from there, you know, also from Spain, you know. I guess he can ship worldwide, but you can ask him, you know. Alright, so peace. Alright.